Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I love to travel and gadgets. Put those two loves together and you get this video. Top 5 travel gadgets for seamless 2025 adventures. Okay, first up, we gotta talk about power, people. I'm talking about the power that keeps our phones, tablets, headphones, and everything in between running. A dead phone in a foreign country is not just an inconvenience, it's basically a survival situation. But fear not, because the future is here, and it fits right in your pocket. This baby is sleek, stylish, and packs enough power to keep you going for days. We're talking enough juice to charge your phone multiple times, your tablet at least once, and maybe even have enough left over to give your neighbor's electric toothbrush a boost. This charger is universal. It's got all the ports, all the adapters. No more digging through your bag for the right cable. This charger has got you covered. Oh, and did I mention it charges your devices faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush? Because it does. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to keep you connected, no matter where in the world you wander. Next up, let's talk luggage. The luggage of the future is here, and it's smarter than I am on my best day. This isn't just a suitcase, folks. It's a technological masterpiece. It comes equipped with GPS tracking. You can track its every move. It's like having a little GPS tracker for your clothes. This suitcase also has a built-in scale. Simply zip it up, press a button, and voila! It tells you exactly how much it weighs. No more guessing games, no more surprise fees. And if that wasn't enough, this bag also comes equipped with charging ports. You can charge all your devices right from your suitcase. This suitcase is like the Swiss Army knife of luggage. It's tough, durable, and can handle all the bumps and bruises of travel. So there you have it, folks. The luggage of the future is here, and it's ready to make your travels a breeze. Alright, let's talk about something we all need, especially when we're traveling peace and quiet. Traveling can be noisy. Between crying babies, chatty seatmates, and the roar of the engine, it can be tough to find a moment of tranquility. But don't you worry your pretty little ears, because I have just the thing. Noise-canceling earbuds, they're like a vacation for your eardrums. These aren't your average earbuds, folks. These are like tiny little soundproof booths for your ears. Seriously, you put these in and it's like the world just fades away. All that annoying noise, gone. Just you and your favorite tunes, podcasts, or audiobooks. And the sound quality? It's so crisp, so clear. It's like the artists are right there in the room with you. These earbuds are wireless. No more tangled cords. No more accidentally yanking your earbuds out of your ears when you move the wrong way. So, whether you're jetting off to a far-off land or just commuting to work, these noise-canceling earbuds are the perfect travel companion. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a good drone shot these days? Travel-friendly drones are small, lightweight, and fit right in your backpack. They shoot stunning 4K video, have intelligent flight modes, and even obstacle avoidance systems. Imagine standing on top of a mountain, launching your drone, and capturing those impossible shots that will make your friends back home green with envy. These drones are so easy to use, they connect to your phone, and the controls are intuitive. Capture memories that will last a lifetime. Let's talk about communication. Multi-language translator devices. They're like having your own personal interpreter in your pocket. Speak into the device in your language, and it translates and speaks it out loud in the other language, and vice versa. These translators are incredibly accurate. No more fumbling with phrasebooks, no more relying on hand gestures. With these multi-language translators, you can have a conversation with anyone, anywhere in the world. Well, folks, there you have it. My top 5 travel gadgets for seamless 2025 adventures. From portable powerhouses to smart luggage and language translating marvels, these gadgets are about to make your travels smoother, more enjoyable, and a whole lot more fun. Embrace the future of travel and treat yourself to one of these incredible gadgets. Until next time, happy travels. And remember, always pack your sense of adventure and maybe a portable charger or two.